Ready? Start. Coming to the Ministry of Education, what I find is that the Ministry of Education has been going after too many things. It is going after too many changes and also too many experimentations. Stop. I think the time has come when we should stop this policy of going after too many changes and too many experimentations in the field of education. Stop. It is because of this that we have not been able to achieve, after 18 years of freedom, a common pattern throughout the country. Stop. I think a plea has already been made by a lady member about the pattern. Stop. Different patterns exist in different states of our country. Stop. One does not know what has happened to the educational objectives that have been incorporated in the different reports with regard to primary education, secondary education and college education. Stop. Nobody has tried to peruse as to how far the educational objectives that have been incorporated in these reports have been put through in the different states. Stop. Stanza. As far as I know, basic education is not being worked in the spirit in which it ought to be, and there are different misconceptions about it. Stop. So it should be seen by the Education Ministry that instead of going after too many changes and too many experimentations, they concentrate and see that at least a common pattern of education at the primary level, the secondary level and the college level is evolved throughout the country. Stop. Over.